Well, hey guys, this is a key fob out of a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and I'm going to quickly show you how to change the battery on it. So what I do is I use what they call it, I call it a butter knife, y'all may call it a table knife, but what I do, get my glasses on. What I do is I just take and find the crack along the side. That's how you pop it open. So just put your knife right inside that crack. Just kind of start turning it a little bit. Once you get it broke loose, just pop it open with your fingers. Just like that. All right, right inside the key fob, once it comes open, you will see the battery. You can just take it right out. And right on the back will be the number of the battery you need. This particular one is a CR2025. Just go down to Walmart, wherever you buy batteries, get you another one. All right, what you want to do is just put your new battery right back in that little spot where it come out of. Take your other side, put them back together, and just snap them back into place. And there you have it. Very easy to change the battery on a key fob. Most of them change pretty much the same way, not exactly, but basically just pop it apart, put your battery in, and go. Hey, hopefully that helped you out. If it did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.